Section 5. Although indigenous populations are becoming less marginalized in Latin America, they still have a long way to go to access the opportunities available in mainstream society. Indigenous poverty is decreasing in Peru, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, and Ecuador. Education is seen as the key to helping people out of poverty, and such countries as Ecuador, Mexico, and Nicaragua are seeing an increase in the education of indigenous children. There is also a growing realization that education must be sensitive and respectful to language and cultural differences. Chile has taken a big step toward providing education to its indigenous population. The Chilean government's bilingual intercultural education program is now part of Chilean law. This recognition of the value of indigenous culture and language is starting to make an impact. Chile's largest indigenous population, the Mapuche people, live in the country's Tarua municipality. In this area of Chile, 845 schools include language classes for Mapudungun, the native language of the Mapuche people. Now the indigenous population can learn in their own language as well as in Spanish, the majority language.